Global Village is a tourist attraction center in Dubai where many cultural symbols, food are showcased as a sign of diversity for the visitors visiting the center every year. African Pavilion showcases the dance shows by Kenyan dancers from the Kikuyu tribe, which means dominance. They taught some of the visitors how to dance to nice and wonderful African tunes. However, the smell from the Arabian Oud store captures the attention of the visitors in Global Village, and everyone wanted to try it on their body, which is how the Arabic people welcome their visitors, by giving them Arabian Oud. Chinese Pavilion is not left out, as they perform a unique dance called the Shen Yun, which involves flips and spins of all the body. It's a form of entertainment dated about 5,000 years ago for elitist Turkish dancers, signify how ladies dance at weddings during the Ottoman Empire to signify love, feminine, and beauty. The Turkish oud is always used as a musical instrument during weddings and any other events in Turkey during the Ottoman Empire. Moving on to the Spanish Pavilion, where the most iconic image is the ship, which represents Christopher Colombo on his arrival to Spain. The Eiffel Tower represents French iconic image, and it is the most visible symbols of France. In the center of Global Village, there is a stunt performance which shows spins and dance in an unusual way by a guy wearing iron hooves while he jumps over the audience. Ali, a corn vendor at Global Village, is happy because he makes loads of sales every year and he gets to meet so many people from different parts of Thailand. Pavilion has a gigantic Buddhist statue which signifies protection. At the entrance of Global Village, a music man made music tools from plastic, and then he plays music beats for the audience to enjoy. Mustafa, a storekeeper at the Arabian Oud store in the UAE Pavilion, loves the Arabian Oud and thinks it's very good for the human body.